Now we've learned how to create a routed component, we need to actually add some navigation. So if you jump into your app component, this is where we'll be adding our navigation. Now we do this through something called the routerLink, and it's a directive provided to us via Angular. So let me demonstrate. What we'll do is and then we simply do routerLink. Now if we want to go to the home page, we will just put a /, and inside of here what we're going to do is just say home. Now to demonstrate the fact that we can in fact go to a 404 link, what we'll do is just put 404, and then we'll just put /oops, so that when we click on it, this route will not have a registered component and we'll actually see our not found component. So this is how we can create the navigation. Now routerLink is an Angular directive and you can pass it an expression such as this. However, you can also use it for data binding. So now that we've learned about the routerLink, what we can actually do is go to our not found component and we'll say go home. But instead of just leaving it as plain text, what we'll do is a routerLink, and then we'll just simply wrap it in an A tag. So when we hit any route that's a 404, we can say routerLink /, we can click go home, and it will take us back to the home page. So let's actually jump across to the browser and see this working. So these are the only videos where we're going to be looking at the URL bar. So when I click on 404, you can see that it says /oops, and it says not found, go home. We can click on this and it takes us back to the home page. Now this will match any component. So if I type absolutely anything in, you can see that this 404 not found component, we can go home and go back to the start of our application. So now you've learned the basics of the routerLink, we're going to move on to the next video and how to create a much more powerful routerLink.